Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to create an Aetna online account. We will also put useful links in the description below. To start, open the website aetna.com. On their website, you will see several options at the upper part. Click on the option that says Member Support. Then on the lower right side of the page, you'll see a Register button. Click on Register. Now, to create an account, select a preferred option either to create an account using the member ID or Social Security number. Select your preferred method. Enter all the required information. After entering, click on Continue. Next, set up your online account. On the fields provided, enter the username and password you wish to use. Also, select a security question and provide an answer. On the last two fields, enter a valid email address. After entering all the required information, click on the Continue button. Read and review the user agreement and other content. Then click on the button that says I agree and continue. For communication preference, confirm your email, your phone number, select a best time to contact and your time zone. And lastly, select your spoken and written language. Then click on Next. It will then ask for your demographic profile. These are not kept on file but just to help to Aetna understand its members. On the fields, select your ethnicity and race. Then click on Save. And now your preferences has been saved. To proceed, click on Go to Getting Started. That's how you create an Aetna online account. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.